I'm Brad Frost, and I am a web designer and developer based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I work with a lot of large organizations to help build design systems. I've worked with NASDAQ, Pfizer, United Airlines. As design and development grows at scale, there's more need for consistency and cohesion and quality across different platforms and web applications and beyond. I'm doing a full-day design system workshop with Dribbble, and we're going to get into all things design systems, from selling a design system effort to your colleagues and clients and bosses, planning a design system, implementing a design system, designing things right, building things right, launching things right, and then most importantly, maintaining things right. So we're going to get into all sorts of different topics. We're going to be talking about interface inventories, atomic design, design tokens, React and web components and Figma and Sketch and the whole 9 yards. This workshop is going to cover all of that so that you have what you need in order to implement a successful design system at your organization. And you're also going to get a whole bunch of tools and resources and articles and further reading. I hope to see you there, and you could sign up for the workshop at dribbble.com/learn.